bakama b'amahoteli omukyanga kya Bunyoro barugireyo bayeterera enduru ahari gavumenti barikwenda ngu bayambe bahereze biliyoni 130 ez'okuboneza amahoteli gabo okuhikana n'omutindo gurije kuraza abantu mu bwire bwa AFCON kandi aba nibegitira mu kibiina kya Bunyoro Hotel Owners Association. Dr. Fred Kabagambe Karisa chairman wabo nagira ngo nibenda bakora amahoteli g'omutindo gwa 4 star hamwe na 5 star agarukwikirezebwa kuraza abantu b'amahanga gaheru
na jimu tulikozere baitu zikona kutekamo ebyoma, so tusaba collectively government esobola kutwirukira upgrading hotels zino zikalule ngorwo orakora oraba halivo yo ku accommodation wala bazana bumpira n'abanda bakuja.
Is AFCON more life. A group is put here, which is a fact. We'll have one group here in Hoima. So a group being in Hoima, it means that you have a Mo Salah. It's no longer local players. So a Mo Salah to come and sleep in a funny hotel is funny. And I want to appeal to my people in Bunyoro. It will be funny for teams to fly in from Kampala to the airport, train, fly back. It will also be funny for go and sleep in Kampala.
Karisa nashobora ngo mbwire wa Chogamu government ekahereza abahoteli muri Kampala sente mbwe nabo bazubahereze kandi ino kwerarikirira ngwe mpaka zibasa kutandika hoteli zitakahunduziwe.
Chogamu Commonwealth Conference government ikasupportinga hotel za Entebbe na Kampala baba hasente bakora umulimo hoteli zabo zagenda rutindo wa haiguru na wiki nikiriki okubanza eka government supporting private sector upgrading hotels zabo hotels zaitu.
Minister Peter Ogwang nagira ngo nka government batireho ubukiko bw'umutano okureba ngo habaho za hoteli ziri ha mutindo gwensi yona.
Bunyoro sub-region, and for that purpose the Prime Minister is coordinating a multi-sectoral approach in ensuring that by 2027 we have a good number of hotels which have already been upgraded to a 4 star, 5 star, because that's what CAF guided.
Obwire bugenda habukuba African Cup of Nations esigayize mwaka gumu gwonka kuba AFCON 27 ati N2025, so tukwenda etuonyere immediately tuina bwire bwokusisa.
Government erahacha kumariza ekishaya kirize kuzanurwamo emipira ya AFCON omuri Hoima gasha kwa Mbrozo n'Wagabakato.